So let's go to kindergarten and first grade. So the child has had a great experience in preschool, expressing himself or herself as much as possible, learning how to control their bowel movements and their bladder, learning how to socialize with other children, learning what it means to stand in line and to get along with each other and to play together on the playground. Those are a lot of the things that preschool is involved in and is responsible for. A lot of people look at it as the ABCs and the one, two, threes, and of course, those are important. But what's most important is the opportunity to get to know oneself. Now, kindergarten and first grade make it a little different because that's when you learn the more institutionalized process of socialization. So where in preschool, you had the opportunity to come in and play wherever you want to play and go to the bathroom whenever you need to. It's a little different in kindergarten and first grade. You sit in a chair, you sit up, you get in line to go to the bathroom, you go when we tell you, so hold it until we tell you you can let it go. And you learn more of the institutional structure that you have to follow in order to be socialized into society. In kindergarten and first grade, you're learning still more of the socialization because in your preschool, the classes were more unstructured and more free flow generally, and now they're more structured. So now their children are learning what it means to sit in a chair and what it means to attend, what it means to focus. It's a little different. Now they have their right brain and left brain developed. We'll be talking about that a little later, but you'll understand that. And now their gifts and talents are beginning to be exposed in more ways. And the school structure is designed so that your left brain, the linear part of life, the mathematics, the words, those become more and more important in the educational systems. That may not be what you were given because you were given a lot of information, a lot of gifts and talents on your right brain and creativity. Those are conversations we're going to have a little bit later. But for now, it's about how children, we lose our authenticity. And in kindergarten and first grade, we lose it because of our having to conform to the institutionalized structure that is required of us for the rest of our lives. You know, like you walk on the right side of the street, at least in America we do. You drive on the right side of the street, at least in America we do. You say gesundheit when someone sneezes or whatever you might say. But we have certain polite things that we do. We have certain not so polite things that we do, but you learn the norms, the culture, the ways that you are expected to behave. And you begin to make the choice of whether or not you will behave under those structures.